how you going? I'm Leah from Leah's Cookbook Ideas. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make potato salad. So let's go and I'll show you how I make it. And with the potato salad, if you want to add bacon, you're more than welcome. And I forgot to mention that both these salads are good for summer salads for the summer. Okay guys, here are the ingredients for my potato salad. You'll need some potatoes, an onion, some mayonnaise, salt and pepper, and parsley to garnish. I always start with cold water in my pot, and then I'll put the potatoes on and then turn them on. Okie dokie, I've got the potatoes in and I'm going to cook them for about 20 or so minutes. I'll let you know how long I cook them for. I just want them soft but not falling apart. And see all those white bubbles? That's impurities coming out of the potatoes. It's called scum, so you want to skim it. So skim that scum, guys. Skim the scum. Alrighty, it has been 20 minutes exactly and I can get a fork or knife straight through those puppies. So now it's time to dress them. I have got the mayonnaise here in a bowl and I'll just add the onions and give it a mix. Time to give it a mix, and then I'll add the parsley for decoration. Just give it a good old mix. There you go guys, how easy was that potato salad to make? So guys, I hope you loved my video. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time for another delicious fun video. Cheers guys!